Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can record your screen using OBS. So as you guys can see, I'm recording this video using OBS, recording my screen. Now to start recording on OBS, you can just click on start recording over here. Now mine says stop recording because it's recording right now. So you can just click on start recording and your recording will start. And you can see the timer over here, which means it's recording. And if you click on stop recording, your recording will be stopped. And over here, make sure your audio is on as well. And in order to capture your desktop, which means as you guys can see, in order to capture your screen, you need to have this display capture on over here. For this, you can just click on the plus, and from over here you can choose display capture. Once you choose display capture, it's going to appear over here. Make sure it's unlocked and make sure its eye is not crossed. And basically, you should see your screen over here, and the moment you start recording, your screen will start to record. That is the way to record your OBS screen. And to check where your OBS recording file is going to be saved, you can click on setting. You can just go on output over here, and as you guys can see where it says recording path. So right now I cannot change it because I'm recording a video, but you can just click on browse and choose where you want your videos to be saved once your recording is over. Once you change all the settings, just click on apply and OK, and you can start recording using your OBS. So that is how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.